Welcome back to Knowledge Life Solidworks Practice Model Tutorial Series. In this video, we are going to design this extremely beautiful 3D map of India. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. Here I'll be using mainly the Solidworks Sketch Picture Autotrace command, which already I have explained in a separate video. The video link is given in the description box. If you want to study those videos, you can go and you can study. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. You can see here the by default unit is mm/second. I'm not going to disturb here, so let it be like this only. I'll choose your front plane and go for the sketch. I'll go for the tools. Under tools, I will go to the sketch tools. Under sketch tool, the bottom you have here option called sketch picture. So click on the sketch picture. It will allow you to browse the picture. Already I have downloaded some picture, so I will go to my destination. You can see this picture I want to import here. So click on this and just go with the OK. Now you can adjust here dimension. I'm not going to disturb here. Let it be like this. And I'll go for this option here right now, next. So this option will be available only when you keep the auto trace option on from add-ins. So how to do that already I have explained. I'll just go for the next, and here I will click on this use to select color. I'll select this color and I'll click here Bing Trace and just go with the OK. Now you can see your sketch is getting ready. Directly you have exist from the sketch. I'll go to the features and go for the extrude, and I'll extrude it up to 10 mm. Just let it be like this. Now you can see here our model is looking like this. Now click on this face, go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll select here one line. I'll take the line which is like this. Once again I will draw a line which is like this. Now I'm not going to do anything like fully define and all, just leave it like this, exist from the sketcher. I'm going to use here one feature called split line, and you can see sketch is selected. I will select this face here and just go with this. What will it will be doing? It will split the surface. Okay, only the surface. I'll apply here some appearance. I will just select this face, go for the appearance here. I'll choose here this and just go with the OK. Once again I'll go for the appearance, and here I will choose this and just go with the OK. Now I will go for the Solidworks Decals features. So click here and you can see here you have the option View Decals. Right click over here, go for the Add Decals. Already I have downloaded some picture that I will import here. So I will go to my destination. I'll choose this and go for the open and select this as my surface. You can adjust it. I'll just stretch the picture. And you can just go with the OK. So guys, now you can see here your model is getting ready, which is a very extremely beautiful Indian 3D map. So you can see here your model is ready. So guys, you can try the same things, or else you can try with your own country map. Hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.